How to add face mask to Memoji on iPhone. With face masks becoming a part of our daily routine, it's only fitting that we have the option to include them in our Memoji. So let's get started. First, open the Message app on your iPhone. Open a message thread and tap on the Memoji button in the app bar. Tap on the plus button to edit your Memoji. Customize the face according to your wish. After completing customization, go to headgear section. Scroll down, you will see the face mask in face covering section. Select the face mask option that you want to add to your Memoji. You can customize the color and style of the mask to your liking by using the options provided. Once you're done customizing your Memoji, tap on Done to save your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.